Hello, Quinn Brown here from QR Codes Australia. And in previous tutorials, I've talked about decorating your QR codes. So we use this online photosoft.com to decorate, mainly because when you do it in the software, you can't change it. So if a customer wants it a little bit greener or a different logo in there, etc., you can't do that. It's locked in because the dynamic part is the URL. So we usually download the black and white QR code and then decorate it in here. We've created the QR code in a previous tutorial. We're just going to start and decorate that. So I just go in here and use the paint bucket tool. Got a nice red color there, so I just click on the black areas and then I'm going to change it to a nice blue. And I change it to a nice green. Make sure you use a darker color so it still scans well. I'm going to open logo, and here it is here. Now I'm just going to select it, so I'm going to go Control A, which selects, then Control C and copies, and then I'm just going to go Control V. Now this is basically what our program would do. Exactly the same. The only trouble is I want a bigger logo in there. And so I'm going to go here and I'm going to go Control D to deselect an image. And then I'm going to go to image size and I want to make it 410. And go OK. Now I'm going to go Control A, Control Copy. Go back here. I can do Undo. And then just go Control V, and there's the logo. Now as you can see, it's a lot bigger, looks better. I haven't touched these little boxes, and so it's very important that then we check it and scan it a few times to make sure it works perfectly. I've just gone to my website and here's the actual decorating procedure, and I'll put this down below the video. As you can see, this is the area where you can add anything, and these are the areas you want to keep away from. When we go back to our shop, so this and this area we want to keep away from, so we could even make that logo a little bigger if we wanted to. So that's how easy it is to decorate a QR code. We can now save that, export as a PNG. I'm happy with that. I'm just going to save it. Customers said they want a little bit deeper colours, so I'm just going to open it. And now I can come back in here, go in here again, choose the paint bucket, and now they want a little bit deeper green. So I can go down, go OK, and I can just click on these and make it deeper, and now export again. And that's the beauty of doing it in a program like this. You can change everything. The QR code's going to say the same, so it's going to go where you want it to go. That's it. My name's Quinn Brown from QR Codes Australia, showing you how to decorate your QR codes. It's called onlinephotosoft.com.